What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. Guys, so we're breaking down Tesla this morning, or ticker symbol TSLA. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're on the daily interval. This allows us to see the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. This also allows us to find our support and resistance lines and all that good stuff we need to further predict our analysis. So let me just show you how I found these lines really quickly. I don't want to spend too much time on these, but up here is our major resistance line. You can see that we came up, got rejected, ultimately did this about 3 or 4 times until we finally got rejected and pulled us all the way back down to our major support line. You can see that we bounced from this level, and ultimately that's what created our uptrend to where we're at right now. This is also going to be further tested back here. You can see that once works as resistance, will work as support on the opposite side. We had trouble breaking past this area. Eventually we gapped up, pulled back down onto support, working as a floor, and bounced off all the way up into this resistance area. So now that I covered our major support and resistance lines, this minor resistance and support line is right here and can be tested. Also, you can see that we got rejected in this area, rejected in this area. So that puts us on the opposite side of where our now is a a floor. Excuse me. So let's get into where we're at right now. So we're down almost 2% for the morning. Pre-market 695. We closed yesterday at 704, down 4% yesterday. So you can see, yes, we're not breaking new lows, and we're definitely not breaking new highs as of right now. So we can consider this a very choppy consolidation. So right now we don't have a clear direction on where we're headed. So getting in at this second would be kind of a FOMO move, basically the fear of missing out. Don't have that, you guys. There's opportunities in the market every single day. So right now, like I said, with us being under this trend line, with this candlestick being a bottom tail candlestick, and it's yellow, or it should be red, I just have my colors different. If we look at the RSI, we can even see that we're starting to pull back on the RSI. We have all these tops over here. Let me check the volume. Our volume is not the best. It's at 269. You do want it above at least 150,000 for a decent moving stock. But as of right now, this is not checking off any of the things on my checklist as for an entry. I can't really give you guys a specific general idea of a perfect entry as of right now, because we don't have a clear direction. We're just kind of chopping around and going and resting on this minor support. We're starting to peekaboo below it, so that could tell you that if we break below this 690 area, which that has this candlestick right here, then we'll be creating a new low, and that can definitely or indefinitely tell you that the direction that we're headed. We're heading to either our major support line, that being 600. I really hope that we don't break down to that level, but that is our lowest level that is tested as our next support. So if we do break below this candlestick, just I would be patient until we can find the bottom, and that being down here at the 600. And if we do turn around, what we want to see is this to break above this 670 area, or at least just the 645 or 46 area, because that would show that buyers are stepping back up and we are starting to create this upward trend. But as of right now, just because of the direction that I see that we're headed, the trend line, our RSI, the volume, all this stuff is entailing that we may be pulling back a little bit for today. So be patient, wait for the best entry, you guys. And I'll do another update on this tomorrow to kind of see exactly where we're at, and if I can give you guys an actual entry this time, because usually I give you guys at least two ideas of entries that you could get in, but as of right now I cannot do that because I have no idea on the direction that we're headed besides consolidating and chopping around. Okay, so I'm never going to just tell you guys what you want to hear. I'm here to spill the real facts and exactly what we're looking at. Yes, people always hate on technical analysis and say it doesn't work, but I'm here to tell you that it really does. You can watch all my previous videos. Go ahead, go check out my Dogecoin video 2 days ago, and then watch it, the one I posted today. It's almost dead accurate. Every single of the things are almost dead accurate, you guys. So if you guys have any questions or any comments, just put them in the comment box below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. I create this content every single morning for you guys, so that would definitely help me out. So, and other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.